Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a custom domain email with Gmail. Using your own domain email makes your business look professional and builds trust with clients. This full step-by-step guide for 2026 will take you from domain setup to sending and receiving emails with Gmail. First, you need to purchase a domain if you don't have one yet. You can use services like Google Domains, GoDaddy, or Namecheap. Make sure it's a professional domain for your business. Next, sign up for Google Workspace. This allows you to use Gmail with your custom domain. Choose a plan based on the number of users you need. After signing up, you'll need to verify domain ownership. Google will provide a TXT record to add to your domain DNS settings. This ensures only you can use the domain with Gmail. Next, set up MX records in your domain's DNS settings. These records allow Gmail to send and receive emails using your custom domain. Once MX records are set, create custom email accounts in Google Workspace. You can create emails like info@yourdomain.com or support@yourdomain.com. Log into Gmail using your custom domain account. You can now send, receive, and manage emails, just like regular Gmail, but with your professional domain. Send test emails to make sure everything works. Enable Gmail features like labels, filters, and templates to stay organized. Using Gmail with a custom domain makes email communication smooth and professional. And that's how to set up a custom domain email with Gmail step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you set up your professional email, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.